news that we're just getting. India has ramped up its efforts to bring back Mehul Choksi, who's currently in the custody of the Dominica police. Now, visuals that you see on your screen right now are of Mehul Choksi, whose lawyer has claimed that he has been injured while in custody in Dominica. Now, these visuals are coming to you first on Republic TV. These visuals clearly seem to indicate that there have been some injuries to Mehul Choksi. Now, this, of course, happens even as India is trying very hard to make sure that Mehul Choksi is repatriated to the country. It is in touch with the governments of Dominica as well as Antigua and Barbuda, both to make sure that Mehul Choksi is returned to India at the earliest. Now, these visuals seem to suggest that he has received certain injuries. Now, we don't know where these injuries actually happened. We're going to wait for our reporters to confirm to us what Mehul Choksi is currently and his lawyers are currently saying about these injuries. But in the past, his lawyer, who has spoken to Republic TV on several occasions, seemed to indicate that Mehul Choksi did not leave Antigua at his own will. In fact, he seemed to suggest that he was forced onto that yacht. Let me go back across to Shivani, who's on the phone line with me with more details. Now, Shivani, to begin with, explain these visuals to our viewers. They seem to indicate that Mehul Choksi has received several injuries. Okay, we seem to have lost that audio connection with Shivani Sharma. We're going to try and get her back in just a bit. But just to take our viewers through this latest set of images that we are bringing to you on Republic TV, it is an exclusive that we are getting for you. They seem to suggest that there are certain bodily injuries that have been received by Mehul Choksi. We are still waiting for confirmation on where these injuries, on essentially what Mehul Choksi is saying and what his family as well as his lawyers are saying about these injuries. Now, Shivani is back with me on the phone line. Shivani, to begin with, explain to us what these injuries are. Now, also explain to our viewers what his lawyers are saying at the moment.
Nupur, what we have seen is the first pictures that he had received of Mehul Choksi, where his eye was red and his hands were bruised. But these are the fresh pictures. Some more pictures from the hospital that Republic has accessed, where marks can be seen on Mehul Choksi's body. And we've already heard the lawyers of Mehul Choksi, who had claimed that he was tortured in the custody of the Dominican police, where he is right now after being caught in Dominica, and he was absconding from Antigua, we know, 3 days back. And now these fresh pictures from the hospital are coming in. We know that he was sent to an hospital for a COVID test. He tested negative for COVID, and he would be kept in a quarantine facility also because that's how the legal procedures go on. And Mehul Choksi's fresh pictures show some more marks on his body, and we have also heard the lawyers saying that he was abducted. What the lawyers have said now is that he was abducted. He did not elope. He did not go himself. He was taken probably by somebody, and we have seen in these fresh pictures these marks. These pictures are from the hospital where he was sent for the COVID test, and right now he's still in the hospital. He had tested negative. That's what we are learning, and he would be kept in a quarantine facility. And probably from here, he will be taken to the quarantine facility where he has to be kept. But these pictures are coming in, the fresh exclusive pictures that are with the Republic TV, who has been accessing each and every detail of the Mehul Choksi episode that's going on in Dominica after he had vanished from Antigua on 23rd of May, and later he was taken into custody by the Dominica police. And meanwhile, Nupur, let's also tell our viewers that the Indian agencies are scaling up each effort to bring him back to India through the legal channel, and the talks are going on between the authorities of Antigua and Dominica and India, and a special flight had already landed in Dominica with documents that are to be presented before the court while the hearing goes on 2nd of June. And also we were bringing out statements by the Prime Minister of Antigua, who was assuring India of all cooperation to repatriate Mehul Choksi to India back, because he is a wanted fugitive, and whatever he has done has done in the capacity of being an Indian citizen.
All right, I'm going to have to interrupt you there, Shivani. I'm also now going to go across to Rhythm. Rhythm, Republic TV over there accessing those pictures of Mehul Choksi, which seem to suggest bodily injuries to him. Now, what are his lawyers saying about this?
Let's tell you, Nupur, these are world exclusive pictures that we are getting of Mehul Choksi, the latest updates that are coming in right now as we are speaking. Coming in from a place that he's been put up. Remember the crucial case coming up in Dominica where he's moved. I'm going to get you world exclusive information and access to.
Okay, I think we seem to be running into some audio trouble with Rhythm over there. We're going to reconnect that phone line and come back to you, Rhythm, in just a bit. But Shivani still continues to be with me on the phone line now. Shivani, these pictures are coming out at a time when there is a hearing that's scheduled in Dominica on the 2nd of June. Is there likely to be any bearing on that hearing with these new visuals that Republic TV has accessed? Just to tell our viewers that this is a world exclusive that we are getting for you.
Nupur, we know that these pictures which are right now could be quite important because we have also heard the lawyers of Mehul Choksi who had been claiming that he has been assaulted in custody in Dominica, and other versions, other statements also coming in that he was abducted. That's what the lawyers have to claim. But very important here is the hearing that has to take place on 2nd of June, Wednesday, where India will also present the documents which have reached Dominica, and that would be quite important and crucial legal activity which will ensure that Mehul Choksi comes back to India, where he can be where he will have to face the legal action in the case of Punjab National Bank loan fraud case. And we also know that Interpol had also issued a red corner notice for Mehul Choksi, and here in India CBI and ED are also going through all the channels and trying to bring him back for the further investigation. But meanwhile, what pictures we are showing are the world exclusive pictures of Mehul Choksi, and Republic has been tracking each and every detail of the whole issue since he had gone missing from Antigua, and later he was taken into custody by the Dominica police. And we have also shown how the Cobra tour and yacht owner has also claimed that on that particular yacht, which we have shown the pictures of the yacht to the viewers, that 2 travelers, apart from the crew, 1 Indian, another British national were there, and the list of these passengers' names is also there with Republic TV. And it's quite possible that this particular yacht was allegedly used by Mehul Choksi for the runaway from Antigua to Dominica, where right now we are getting the pictures from. And these pictures are from a place where he has been kept right now, and he would be kept in a quarantine facility also. That's what we were learning also. And he had been taken to a hospital yesterday, and there was tested for COVID-19. He tested negative for COVID-19. And now again, these pictures that are coming in are world exclusive pictures only with Republic TV that show some more marks on Mehul Choksi's body. We had seen the initial pictures a day back where Mehul Choksi was behind the bars and he had a red eye, a bruised arm, and the lawyers had claimed that all these bruises have been given to him by the police in custody, and the case will take its hearing on 2nd of June, Wednesday, where we see that could be a crucial hearing. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister of Antigua has assured of all help, and the Ambassador of India in Trinidad and Tobago is also in communication with the authorities in Antigua and Barbuda and Dominica also. And India has gone all out, and multi-level agencies are communicating right now to bring Mehul Choksi back to India so that he can face legal action in India.
All right, Shivani, stay with us. Let's also bring in Rhythm now. Rhythm, these visuals that seem to suggest bruises and cuts on Mehul Choksi. Of course, his lawyers in the past have said that he received these in custody. That's the allegation that's coming from them. But do you think this will have a bearing on the hearing on the 2nd?
Absolutely, it should, because these are visuals, Nupur, coming in from a hospital. Remember also the Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, Gaston Brown, who spoke earlier, also spoke of the mysterious disappearance of Mehul Choksi from the Canadian nation. He also claimed he may have taken his girlfriend on a romantic trip when he got caught. A lot of things being made. He's also said Mehul made a mistake. The information we are getting is he traveled with his girlfriend. Remember, who is Mehul Choksi? India is looking for him as the mastermind of the 13,000 crore PNB fraud case. He was earlier missing. His lawyers claim he was abducted, and that's how he was taken from one island to the Dominican island. He also claimed that people with links to India abducted him in collaboration with Antiguan officials. These are words that have been given by Choksi's lawyers. They say he was beaten up, tortured, taken to Dominica. Let us tell you about the visuals on the screen. These are exclusive visuals that Republic TV has access as a world exclusive. These are pictures of a 62-year-old Choksi surfacing in Dominica, showing him with a red swollen eye, bruises on his hands. Choksi and his nephew were earlier wanted for siphoning off 13,000 crore rupees of India's money. And after a lot of search, finally it seems he could be extradited. We also have the Indian team already there, present to ensure that he is moved out. But if he's an Indian citizen, these are likely grounds of things that are going to be said by the Enforcement Directorate before the High Court of Dominica, that Choksi remains an Indian citizen. He has a passport from Antigua. He's accused of fraud and money laundering in India. There's an Interpol red call notice against him, and therefore he should be deported to India. This is what is so crucial, because remember, what lies at the heart of this is companies like Gitanjali Gems, Giri, Nakshatra that had defrauded PNB of wrongdoing with money. So India, CBI and ED investigating the case for at least a decade now involving Choksi have said that the clutch of shell entities registered in countries such as Hong Kong had emerged. This is the prime money laundering fraud case against Mehul Choksi that has to be probed. These pictures show the injury marks, and they are a world exclusive, but they're also clearly showing some sort of a picture and a twist and a drama that's trying to be given to this particular hearing that will happen in the High Court of Dominica on Wednesday. Choksi, remember, our ED is going to tell the court remains an Indian citizen. He has an Indian passport and he should be deported back to India.
Absolutely. So that essentially, Rhythm, will be the crux of the arguments that are likely to be held on the 2nd of June. For the moment, Rhythm, thank you for joining us. Now, these